Some articles are hard to read, and some titles are a mouthful. Today's was Art, Technology, Education, Synergy of Modes Means Tools of Communication by Agnes Papadopoulou. Unless I'm pronouncing that wrong, which is all very likely. Anyway, her article discusses some very interesting concepts of technological change and how it's affecting the art world. It's something that in many ways doesn't need to be said so verbosely. It's something that we all are picking up on just from the fact that artists are more and more using digital illustration tools instead of traditional media, and even the entertainment we engage in is more likely to be generated through a computer than anything drawn with hand. That said, it's very interesting to consider the ways that art and technology fuse together and then continue to go forward, connecting people with each other as new modes come along. Now, I chose to put this WALL-E toy on my table behind me for this video because Pixar itself is a very interesting example of how art and technology come together and then continue to move forward. That is, somewhere along the lines, people started experimenting with creating digital shapes through computer animation. That led to a concept from John Lasseter: what if we use this to tell a story? And Steve Jobs backing that idea with Pixar, saying, yeah, let's go for it. And so you have Pixar movies, Toy Story, Bug's Life, and eventually WALL-E. But WALL-E takes it a step further because it's this question of technology. As we become dependent on technology, what does that mean for our society? And so you have this animated film with these imaginary robots dealing with this philosophical question of human engagement in technology, and yet I have a Lego version of the character because Lego designers were able to take the character, inspired by it, craft a set design, ship that off, print that off, and all of a sudden here I am sitting recording a video on my cell phone with a Lego WALL-E in the background. It's convoluted, so is the reading, but my point is, once you start integrating art and technology, it becomes this rabbit hole. Where does the technology end and the art begin? It's all humans creatively exploring together, and I think that is what our friend Agnes was trying to say in her article.